Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove Facebook from Android. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Facebook account from your Android phone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings over here. Now once you open your phone settings, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see Google over here. You can see Google, but don't click on Google, just click on account. Now once you click on account, you can see your Facebook over here. Just click on Facebook, and once you click on Facebook you can see remove account, and you can see removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So all you need to do is to click on delete or remove account, and by doing this you can remove your Facebook account. Don't forget, by doing this your account is not deleted, but it is just removed from the phone and you can log into it at any time. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a